Did you know that turmeric has been used in traditional medicine for over 4,000 years? That's right. This humble yellow spice, most famous for adding a golden glow to curries and teas, has a history that stretches back millennia. Across ancient civilizations, from India to Southeast Asia, turmeric was prized not just for its flavor, but for its powerful healing properties. Today, science is finally catching up to what traditional healers have known for centuries. Turmeric is a remarkable spice with a wealth of health benefits. So, what makes turmeric so special? Let's start with its unmistakable appearance. Turmeric is instantly recognizable for its bright, sunshiny color, a vibrant gold that can liven up any dish. But beyond its beauty, turmeric holds a secret weapon, an impressive array of health-supporting compounds, with one in particular that stands out: curcumin. This natural compound is responsible for most of turmeric's health benefits, and it's at the heart of much of the ongoing scientific research. In today's world, many people struggle with health issues like chronic inflammation, digestive discomfort, and persistent pain. These problems can make daily life challenging, affecting everything from our energy levels to our mood. Modern medicine offers a range of treatments, but more and more people are turning to natural solutions in hopes of finding relief without side effects. This is where turmeric enters the picture, not just as a cooking ingredient, but as a powerful ally in the quest for better health. Let's take a closer look at the science behind turmeric's rise to superfood status. At the core of turmeric's power is curcumin, a compound with potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Inflammation is a natural process in the body, helping us fight off infection and repair damage. But when inflammation becomes chronic, it can contribute to conditions like arthritis, heart disease, and even Alzheimer's. Curcumin works by blocking certain molecules in the body that trigger inflammation, helping to keep our systems balanced and healthy. But that's not all. Curcumin is also a powerful antioxidant, meaning it neutralizes harmful molecules known as free radicals. Free radicals can damage our cells and accelerate aging, playing a role in everything from wrinkles to serious diseases. By scavenging these unstable molecules, curcumin helps protect our cells and supports the body's natural repair processes. The research on turmeric and curcumin is truly fascinating. One of the most compelling studies published in recent years looked at the effects of curcumin on people with chronic pain caused by osteoarthritis. Researchers found that participants who took a curcumin supplement experienced significant reductions in pain and improvements in physical function, often rivaling the benefits of over-the-counter pain medications without the unwanted side effects. Another large review analyzed dozens of studies and found that turmeric could help ease symptoms of digestive disorders like irritable bowel syndrome, promoting a calmer, happier gut. Perhaps even more exciting are the early findings about turmeric's potential to support brain health. Some studies suggest that curcumin may help increase levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a protein that supports the growth and survival of brain cells. This could have far-reaching implications for memory, mood, and even the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. With so many possible benefits, you may be wondering how to easily incorporate turmeric into your own routine. The good news is that turmeric is incredibly versatile. You can add it to soups, stews, smoothies, or even sprinkle it on roasted vegetables for an extra burst of flavor and color. Many people enjoy turmeric tea, sometimes called golden milk, which combines turmeric with warm milk and spices like cinnamon and ginger. For those seeking a more concentrated dose, turmeric supplements are widely available, but it's always wise to talk with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. When using turmeric, it's important to remember one key tip: curcumin isn't easily absorbed on its own. To get the most out of turmeric, pair it with black pepper. Black pepper contains a compound called piperine, which can boost curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Cooking turmeric with a healthy fat, such as olive oil or coconut milk, can also enhance absorption and maximize its benefits. Let's recap some of the most impressive benefits of adding turmeric to your diet and lifestyle. First, Turmeric's anti-inflammatory power can help soothe aches and pains, making it a natural option for those dealing with arthritis or muscle soreness. Second, its antioxidant properties support overall cellular health and may help slow the signs of aging. Third, turmeric's positive effects on digestion can promote a comfortable, healthy gut, which is essential for overall well-being. And finally, early research hints that turmeric may even support brain health, boosting memory and mood. But the advantages don't stop there. Turmeric is also being studied for its potential role in heart health, immune support, and even cancer prevention. While more research is needed to fully understand all of its effects, one thing is clear. This golden spice is a true powerhouse, and adding it to your daily routine could be a simple yet effective way to support your health. Remember, the best results come from consistency. Incorporate turmeric into your meals regularly, and don't forget to pair it with black pepper for maximum benefit. Whether you prefer the classic richness of a curry, the soothing warmth of golden milk, or the convenience of a supplement, there's a way for everyone to enjoy the amazing benefits of turmeric. If you found this information helpful and want to learn more about natural ways to boost your health and wellness, don't forget to subscribe. By joining our community, you'll stay up to date with the latest tips, science-backed insights, and delicious recipes designed to help you look and feel your best. Here's to your health, happiness, and a brighter, more vibrant life, with a little help from the golden magic of turmeric.